Hello, good humans. This is Herb with a healthy meal for National Nutrition Month. On the menu, avocado and fennel salad with organic mixed greens, heirloom cherry tomatoes, radish, champagne grape and pear vinegar dressing with a light amount of herbs and lemon. Awesome. We have for our entree, mushroom and spinach sauté with organic spinach, shiitake and cremini mushrooms, and a white truffle-infused olive oil that's really amazing right here locally in town. Organic quinoa, julienne, purple yam, topped with golden raisins, cashew, almond, toasted pumpkin seeds, and nutritional yeast. This meal is all plant-based, all gluten-free, low in oil, low salt, and no added sugar. This is all locally sourced, created and plated right here in Patchogue, Long Island. And let's get cooking with a teaspoon of olive oil in a medium heat saute pan. We're gonna saute and caramelize our onion and our carrots together. Low heat. When it's low oil, a lower heat, and we want to mix that around to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan and it all gets those flavors sauteing around in there. And then next, we're going to add some magic ingredients, salt and pepper. I'm using pink Himalayan salt and black pepper. And then we'll have some nice, little spice it up a bit. Let's spice that up with a little red pepper flake, a little pinch. And now we're going to start adding some of the main ingredients after we add this amazing 2 cloves of garlic. And now we're going to saute that and we're going to throw in the mushrooms. And we want to make sure, again, the heat is medium. We're going to put the spinach on top of that. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of water to get that to steam and to deglaze the pan a little bit. Now we're going to add the secret ingredient, the white truffle oil. Oh my God, it's so good. We're going to put that right on top of the spinach, and then we're going to really mix that up a bit. We want all these flavors to mix and mingle and have a really good time in that pan. And so we don't want it to stick, so let's keep that going. And next we're going to talk about how to plate this. And we're going to be plating it with the quinoa. So we want to make the quinoa center on the plate and form it into a nice little circle. And then we're going to add the sauté ingredients around it, along with the raw purple yam, and top it off with all those beautiful nuts and seeds. And thank you all. I hope you really enjoyed this. I'm Herb, and I'm so glad you came. And if you like my mustache, we could be Franz. Okay, well, come back and eat healthy and enjoy National Nutrition Month, and contact me if you have any questions. Also on my website, you'll get the full recipe. Thanks again. Enjoy.